to the whole new episode of BMW X5 250cc. So in this part we are going to continue with the frame. The frame now is standing on a single pipe over here. So I need to add up a pipe on the top and even for my legs to not hit this body over here. So we are going to work on the body, the chair, the main frame today. So in the last part I said I'm going to use these shocks. The main reason I cannot use this is this is very big in size. So instead of that I'm going to use this shocks, but the problem is that I have only one piece with me. So as I go to the second piece, we can just go ahead and install the front shock also. So until I get the shocks, so we can move on with the body and complete the rest of the things. There are a lot of work remaining to done. So let's just move on with the frame and see how everything goes. Those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification so that you'll get my video every time I upload it. So enough of talking and let's move on to the body.
Alright guys, so the frame is mounted up, the body is completely mounted up. As you can see, this is mounted over here, but I've still kept some packing over here to stop it because the rear is still remaining to mount up. So I've done two mounting, one over here and one over here. So this the four mounting I have done over here. So this thing is now at its plates, so I can still move this out. The body is not a little bit flexible is there, so still I need to get that and get the mount somewhat over here. This I have to do. So these are the pipes. I need to cut this thing over here. Before cutting this, I need to get the body mounted correctly so that I can just go ahead and place the body easily. So after cutting this means I'll lose the balance where exactly this thing is coming. So now I have know exactly where this thing is coming. So let's just mount somewhat over here. I'm thinking to mount over here, something over here and over this side, so that this thing remains where it wants to be. So let's just make the mounting of here and I'll show you.
Alright guys, so let's just try to sit on this project and see. So now it's just like melted, finger crossed. Slowly. It's looking awesome. And even the legs, I got plenty of space over here for the legs. There's plenty of space for the legs, so I can shift the gear easily. And the shocks, they are barely moving. Alright guys, the shocks did not even move. They are maximum low. So they are just stable, it's maximum low, not high. So still they are not even moving a little bit. Even I was jumping on this, like not too much jumping because this is tight tilted, so I cannot jump too much. Like still I was applying pressure, my whole body weight, but this was not moving. So that means these shocks are not going to work over there. So I need to change these shocks first, definitely. So let's just see whether the frame can hold the weight of this engine. So finger crossed, guys. It is flexible. It is flexible. Okay. And yes, guys, this engine is very heavy. It is flexible, but it's able to hold the weight of this engine, massive engine. Alright guys, so we are finally almost done with the frame. So I've strengthened up the frame in the center by adding a support over here from here to all the way over here, and connected these two pipes over here so that this won't be flexible and all. But still there are plenty of things I'm going to add over here so that this piece won't have any flexibleness or anything. So in the video I showed you, like when I was lifting up from here, the engine was kind of the body was flexible or the engine was flexible. I don't know exactly. I did not check correctly. So it was there. So the mount of the engine is up in the front over here. So I need to figure out a way to get that mount also. The shocks I showed you, it was very hard. So I need to definitely change this. So this is going to be in the next part, and the mounting and the shocks. I don't know what all things will be happening in the next part. So for this video, I'll end up over here, and those who are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.
सादा छोटा कर दिया।